With every version of NC-Simul, you've had the most freedom to create any environment that you want. First off, there are always multiple ways to view a feature in NC-Simul. The easiest way is to right-click directly on the object in question. You will then have the option to see that feature in wireframe, solids with edges, or even transparent with a slider to adjust exactly how much to do so. At the same time, all of these options are also available directly from the job tree. In the same fashion, right-click on the object name to view the availabilities. As far as visibility goes, the option in either of these right-click dropdowns is also available directly with toggling the eyeball icons next to each feature between full visibility, features that are partially hidden, and those that are completely hidden. Furthermore, if there's a specific view that you find yourself needing to come back to time and time again, it is possible to create that angle directly. Of course, there are the standard top, bottom, right, left side views, but you can also make your own with this icon. Find the area that you want to keep coming back to and lock it in. It's not restricted to a single view. This can be done multiple times. Inside that, you can update the view, delete or add one, and rename each one as well. Lastly, from the Display tab, you are able to split the 3D window into table and machine views simultaneously while individually manipulating each one. Have the windows side by side or choose to stack the tabs instead. You can also use this dropdown to quickly change all of the model views in one shot. With so many viewing options available, watching the simulation from any angle or transparency and being able to switch between options as the machine is actively running becomes extremely simple with NC-Simul.